Poole, not the kind of place you'd expect to find a supercar manufacturer. You get used to the idea of supercars with Italian accents and sometimes with a German one, but with a Dorset twang? No. Yet this little seaside town that's famous for catching crabs and for its pottery is home to this, the R42, which is a bright new supercar that's aiming to do it all over Ferrari and probably take a pot shot at Lotus too. Spectre have aimed really to build a race car for the road with this car, even though it's wrapped up in leather and wood.